Hello guys, today we have this Toyota FJ Xtreme. Came here for polish. We will be polishing this car. The body is not bit so clean, as you can see. The color here different. This one is white and this side is a yellowish type, yellow off-white, you can say it. And we'll be polishing this whole car. We'll be removing all this off-white, make it a smooth shiny. The surface of the car doesn't have any what should I say, any dust, or you can say rough. It's smooth. So all that we need to do is to remove this off-white and make it this same like a clean white look. As you can see, the car is a bit whole car, I can see, and it is a little bit of off-white whole car. So we will be polishing this car today. For right now, this came inside right now car. So right now we will just prepare this car for polishing. We'll be covering this lights using tapes. We'll be covering all the sides using tapes. We'll be covering the logo. We'll be covering these edges where if we use polish over here, it may ruin this rubber. So without using tape, so we'll be installing tape over here, also here, and all this rubber we will be installing tape. And after that we will be going to start the polish. For polish we will be using as usual the Xtreme H9 0.2 02, which is a heavy cut. It will be used for making for the off-white, to make it white. It will cut the off-white layer. The off-white caused happened in this car because of the water which is used to clean the car. Maybe it is the water has more of a iron, as most of the water are here from groundwater. They don't have any lakes or fresh water source, so all the waters are from groundwater. So we will be using this H9 to remove the off-white and scratches, and for minor scratches we will be using M3, which gives a micro cut. And lastly but not the least, we'll be using P3. For using H9 we'll be using the rotator. We have a rotator over here. We have used earlier. Right now we have delivered one car, so this is the rotator. You can see we used it is a dual motion rotator, so it moves around as well as it moves in orbital direction also. So this pad is for P3. So for H9 we'll be either using the Xtreme pad for H9. This is the Xtreme pad for H9, and we'll be using this as well as the Wolf pad. we have the Wolf pad, so we'll be using this for H9. And after for M3 we will be using the another soft pad, finishing pad. We'll be using this for M3. We have another blue pad. I think we have given it for cleaning, so we'll be using this for M3. For P3 we will be using this red finishing pad, and for H9 we'll be using wood pad and heavy cut pad. I hope you like it. Stay tuned. So we have finished the polish of this car. As you can see, the car is clean, shiny, and it is look fresh. You can see over here it is all clean, a mirrorless clean. The color has been repainted, so it cannot be look like new. We have a small marks over here of scratches which cannot be removed, because when you use polish the colors comes out along with the pad, cutting pad. So when you use the finishing pad, the colors also come out. So we have stopped over there, and this is the final result of this car, and this is how the car looks. We have cleaned this the glasses, remove the tapes, and also apply the polish on the plastics, and we have also cleaned the inside, and this is how the car inside of the car looks. As you can see, this is how the inside of the car looks. We have cleaned each and every corner. We have also installed these plastics on mat, so that when the customer get inside, it cannot get dirty. And after that, we have given the tire polish. We have cleaned the car beautifully, and it's thanks to our man Bishwas over here. Bishwas, okay, so he has done a great job. He has been helping me with the polish. He's a great guy and for polish. And after that, we have also removed this earlier, this whole cover, and as well as the tire. So we have cleaned the tire, install it again, and we have installed the cover. We have removed this so we can polish the inside. Over here we have polished. And after that we have installed. We have also polished over here. You can see this is the plastic. This is a bit dirty when the car came inside, but we have cleaned it using the chemicals, and now we have given a coat of plastic polish, which is very good for black plastic. It gives a very good shine. And after that we'll be moving on. We have cleaned the lights. The light is already clean, but we have used a little bit of chemical to clean the lights, and it is look good. Also for the chrome, we have also used we have used a piece of cloth, and along with the finishing polish P3 from Koshkemi to give it a finishing look. Now you can see it is a mirrorless. You can see my phone over here, so it gives a clean look. Over here also we have cleaned this, and the same goes